Recovery time objective and recovery point objective are two critical metrics used in disaster recovery planning. They define the acceptable limits for downtime and data loss following a system outage or disaster. The RTO represents the maximum amount of time an organization can tolerate its systems or applications being unavailable before normal operations resume. It defines the target time frame for restoring system functionality and minimizing business disruptions. The RPO represents the maximum amount of data an organization can afford to lose in the event of a disaster. It defines the acceptable time gap between the last data backup and the system outage or failure. A lower RPO indicates a higher frequency of data backups, minimizing potential data loss. RTO focuses on the timeliness of recovery, while RPO focuses on the amount of data loss tolerance. RTO is measured in time units from the occurrence of a disaster to the restoration of normal operations. RPO is measured in time units from the last data backup to the occurrence of a disaster. A shorter RTO often requires a shorter RPO, especially when data protection is paramount. However, a longer RTO may allow for a longer RPO, particularly if data backups are performed regularly and the organization can tolerate some data loss. The appropriate values for RTO and RPO depend on various factors, including the criticality of the systems or applications involved, the organization's data sensitivity, and the acceptable level of business disruption. These values are typically determined through business impact analysis and risk assessment exercises. Meeting RTO and RPO targets requires a comprehensive disaster recovery plan that encompasses data backup strategies, system replication procedures, and testing and validation processes. Regular backups, regular testing of recovery procedures, and the use of appropriate disaster recovery tools and technologies are crucial for achieving these targets effectively. In essence, RTO and RPO are complementary metrics that guide disaster recovery planning and ensure that organizations can minimize downtime, data loss, and business disruptions in the face of unexpected events.